But he recognized that a lie, if repeated often enough, will be accepted. Someone has written concerning other areas that a lie or a falsehood, if repeated, will be a truth in a decade. Repeat a lie and it becomes a truth in a decade. And it becomes a scientific fact in a generation. A lie becomes a truth in 10 years and a scientific fact in a generation. Today, the majority of the great disciplines in the world are practically given in to the thought of evolution. It was repeated and repeated. Then it was accepted that, I guess that's the way it is, until finally science itself says, now it is a fact. There's no extra charge for this information on anthropology and the twisting of the human mind. But Saul heard it and heard it. And he was persecuting Jesus when he was persecuting Christians. What a dramatic experience that was. And a traumatic one for this young lawyer. So the course that he was taking was absolutely wrong and had to be a complete right about face. A change was demanded. And within himself, he recognized this change